Hi everyone! Pepper is one of the most important ingredients for Koreans. This is essential ingredient for Korean kimchi. When this green pepper turns into red, we dry it and we make it red pepper powder. And this is the most important ingredient for kimchi and other Korean side dishes. When this pepper is green, it's very crispy and soft and very sweet. Today I'm going to cook one of my favorite side dishes with this green pepper, steamed green pepper with the seasonings. This is a very interesting side dish. You can, if you learn how to cook this, I think you can apply this recipe to your own pepper or paprika. This is very easy, just follow my recipe and you can make a real Korean style steamed green pepper side dish. To cook steamed green pepper, the first step is to cut unnecessary part like this. Before steaming, I'm going to coat this green pepper with flour so that the seasonings can be pasted when it is steamed. I need 1-2 spoons of flour and coat with this, just like this, so that every surface are coated with the flour. Flours are evenly coated, and now I'm going to put this into steamer. Cover the lid and steam for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to make sauce. First, crush garlic, around 1 spoon, 5 spoons of soy sauce, 3 spoons of red pepper powder, 2 spoons of sesame oil, and half a spoon of sugar. Mix. "5 minutes over. They are well steamed. They are very soft now, like this. Now pour steamed pepper into a bowl. Put sauce here and mix with the sauce so that the sauce can be evenly pasted on the surface of the green peppers, and the color will be turned into brown like this. As a garnish, I need to pour toasted sesame seeds and mix again. So, this is it.